morning, Hornets. It's a wonderful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your hosts, London Wilson.
And I'm Cameron Spall. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today for lunch, we're going to have a hot ham and cheese, chips, cucumber slices, carrots, mandarin oranges, and a cold milk.
Why don't we take a look at today's holidays?
Let's take a quick glance with your top 5 news stories of the day with Jasmine.
Number 1, tentative deal reached to end Hollywood's writer's strike. Number 2, Taylor Swift attends Chiefs game on Travis Kelce's invites. Number 3, Andover flag football player selected as NFL Network's flag football player of the week. Number 4, hundreds of volunteers helped build beds for kids in need during weekend event in downtown Wichita. And number 5, 2 Florida kids stole their mother's car after she took their electronics and were stopped 200 miles away.
Next, here's Thursday's Word of the Week.
This week's Word of the Week is impetuous. Acting or done quickly and without thought or care.
Hornets, be sure to go to the volleyball game tonight against Goddard and Cheney.
Hornets, remember, homecoming is coming up on October 7th. It will take place here at the high school. Doors open at 6:45 and the dance ends at 10. Make sure to buy your ticket at myschooldance.com for $7.
What would be your perfect day? Let's see what some Hornets have to say.
Hi, I'm Brandon Kinsinger, and today we're going to be asking people how they would describe their perfect day. Hi, I'm here with
Brody Sainer.
Describe your perfect day.
My perfect day starts at 7 a.m. Go outside, round up the horses, rope a little bit with some family. Then we go all eat together. Then go home, get some stuff done. Then hang out with my girlfriend and her family. And then go to sleep.
Good. Hi, I'm here with
Brock Sainer.
Describe your perfect day.
Perfect date?
Day.
Waking up at about, I say 8 because it's not too early, but it's not too late either. Then going to get some good breakfast with the homies. Then go somewhere and whip four-wheelers and stuff like that. And then later that night, have a big ol' feast with the fam and watch some sports.
Good.
Hornets, look out for college visits during your lunch period. Today, the U.S. Navy is visiting.
Don't know what show to watch? Here's what some more Hornets have been watching.
Okay, my name is Anavea.
My name is JD, and my favorite show is Breaking Bad.
Yeah, same.
What's up? My name is Miles Masalia. I'm currently on episode 56 of Teletubbies.
My name is Hunter Johnson, and the show I'm currently watching is Duck Dynasty.
My name is Elijah Smith. The show I'm currently watching, I'm obviously binge watching Phineas and Ferb.
Next up, here's Biggest Pet Peeves with Jeff.
I'm here with
Braden Palmer.
And what's your biggest pet peeve?
People chewing.
All right, that's a good one. All right, I'm here with
Jordan.
And what's your biggest pet peeve?
Having to repeat what I have to.
Redo it. Jordan, what's your biggest pet peeve?
Having to repeat what I say multiple times.
All right, that's a good one. All right, I'm here with
Brid McCaffrey.
And what's your biggest pet peeve?
When people smack their lips when they're eating.
Oh, that's a good one. Thank you.
If you won the lottery, what would you do?
I'd probably go to Sephora. Let's see what some students have to say.
Hello, my name is Nadia, and today I'm going to ask Hornets on this rainy, beautiful day, what would they do with $1 million? Let's see.
I would put $500,000 into an investment plan. I put $499,995 into charity, and then I put the other $5 in McDonald's because I like McDonald's.
I would donate half of it and then put the other half in savings to accumulate more money.
I would probably buy a house and adopt a bunch of dogs.
I would buy more Taylor Swift tickets. I would also buy more concert tickets because they're really fun to go to, and I would probably get some new clothes and food and Starbucks.
What a surprise.
But mainly Taylor Swift. I would just get as many
And here's Austin with today's weather.
My name is Austin. Today's high is 95 and today's low is 69.
Now for a quick blast to the past, let's wrap up with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.